Introduction to Krita. Hey, everyone. Today, I am going to tell you about an interesting program called Krita. It is like a special digital canvas where you can draw, paint, and create amazing artwork right on your computer. Learning objectives. Krita. Components of Krita window. Tools in Krita. Creating and saving a Krita file. Krita. Krita is a free and open-source digital painting and illustration software developed and distributed by Krita Foundation. It is designed primarily for artists, illustrators, and graphic designers. It provides a wide range of powerful tools and features for creating digital artwork, including painting, sketching, animation, and photo editing. Downloading and installing the program. To install the latest version of Krita software on your computer, follow these steps. Step 1. Open Microsoft Edge and enter https://krita.org/n/ in the address bar of the browser window. Step 2. Click on the download button on the home page of the website. Another web page appears. Downloading Krita. Click on the download button. Enter https://krita.org/n/. Step 3. Click on the Windows Installer button. Krita will start downloading in your computer. Windows Installer. Click on the Windows Installer button. Step 4. Once the setup file is downloaded, locate the file and double-click on it to install Krita. Opening Krita. To open Krita in Windows 10, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the Start button and click on Krita folder. Step 2. Click on Krita x64. The Krita opening screen appears. Opening Krita. Click Krita folder. Click Krita x64. Krita opening screen. Click on New Image icon. Step 3. Click on New Image icon in the left pane of the opening screen. The Create New Document, Krita dialog box appears. Step 4. Click the Create button. The Krita window appears with a new document in the center of the window. Create New Document, Krita dialog box. Click Create. Important note. The Create New Document contains two tabs, Dimensions and Content. These tabs have been discussed later in this chapter. Components of Krita window. The Krita window consists of many parts. Let us study about some of these parts. Components of Krita window. Menu bar. Toolbar. Toolbox. Status bar. Advanced color selector docker. Layers docker. Brush presets docker. Zoom slider. Menu bar. Located at the top of the window, the menu bar provides access to various commands and options organized into categories such as File, Edit, View, Image, Layer, Select, Filter, etc. to perform various tasks. Toolbar. Located just below the menu bar, the toolbar contains the shortcuts for commonly used operations, such as New, Open, Save, etc. It also allows you to choose your brushes, set parameters such as opacity and size, and other settings. Toolbox. Usually positioned on the left side of the window, the toolbox contains a variety of tools for drawing, painting, selecting, transforming, and other common tasks. Canvas area. This is the central area of the window where your artwork is displayed and where you perform most of your drawing and painting tasks. Advanced color selector docker. Typically located on the right side of the window, the advanced color selector docker allows you to choose the color for your brushes and other painting tools. Layers docker. The layers docker, usually positioned on the right side of the window, provides controls for managing layers within your artwork. You can create, delete, reorder, and adjust properties of layers. Brush presets docker. This docker, also commonly located on the right side of the window, displays a list of brush presets that you can use in your artwork. Status bar. Usually positioned at the bottom of the window, the status bar provides information about the current status of Krita, such as the zoom level, active tool, and other relevant details. Zoom slider. The zoom slider, typically located on the right side of the status bar, allow you to adjust the zoom level of the canvas. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. Dockers, also known as docks, are small sub-windows in Krita's interface. They contain useful options, such as the layer stack, color palette or list of brush presets. Dockers can be removed by clicking the Close button in the upper right of the Docker window. Tools in Krita. The toolbox in Krita is a collection of various tools and options that you can use to create and manipulate artwork. The tools you will find in the Krita toolbox are labeled below. Toolbox in Krita. Select Shapes tool. Edit Shapes tool. Freehand brush tool. Rectangle tool. Polygon tool. Bezier curve tool. Dynamic brush tool. Transform a layer or a selection tool. Crop tool. Gradient tool. Colorized mask editing tool. Fill tool. Assistant tool. Reference images tool. Rectangular selection tool. Polygonal selection tool. Contiguous selection tool. Bezier curve selection tool. Zoom tool. SVG text tool. Calligraphy tool. Line tool. Ellipse tool. Polyline tool. Freehand path tool. Multi-brush tool. Move tool. Color sampler tool. Smart patch tool. Measure tool. Elliptical selection tool. Freehand selection tool. Similar color selection tool. Magnetic selection tool. Pan tool. Let us know about some of the commonly used tools. Text tool. This tool allows you to add text to your artwork. You can customize the font, size, color, anchoring, and other text properties. To use the text tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the text tool on the toolbox. Step 2. Click and drag on the canvas area. The Edit Text dialog box appears. Using the text tool. Click the text tool. Click and drag on the canvas area. Step 3. Type the desired text in the text box. Step 4. Apply the various formatting styles to the entered text. Step 5. Click the Save button. Edit Text dialog box. Change the font face from here. Apply bold, italics or underlined. Change text alignment from here. Change font size from here. Change font color from here. Click the Close button to close the dialog box. Type the text in this box. Click Save. Step 6. Click the Close button to close the dialog box. The text appears on the canvas area. Text appears on the canvas area. Calligraphy tool. This tool is used for creating strokes that resemble those made by traditional calligraphy pens or brushes. To use this tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the calligraphy tool on the toolbox. Step 2. Choose the desired color for the brush stroke from the Advanced Color Selector docker. Step 3. Click and drag on the canvas area to draw freehand strokes. Using the calligraphy tool. Click on the calligraphy tool. Choose the desired color for the brush stroke. Click and drag on the canvas area to draw the strokes. Do it yourself. Experiential learning. Open Krita and write your name using the text tool and calligraphy tool. Observe the difference between the two. Freehand brush tool. This tool is used for freehand drawing and painting. Krita offers a wide range of brushes with different characteristics such as size, shape, opacity, and texture. To use this tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the freehand brush tool on the toolbox. Step 2. Choose the desired brush style from the brush preset stalker. Step 3. Choose the desired color for the brush stroke from the advanced color selector docker. Step 4. Adjust the size and opacity of the brush stroke using the size and opacity slider on the toolbar. Step 5. Click and drag on the canvas area to draw brush strokes with a freehand. Important note: the freehand brush tool is by default selected when you open Krita. Using the freehand brush tool, click on the freehand brush tool. Click and drag on the canvas area to draw the strokes. Adjust the opacity of the brush stroke by moving the opacity slider. Adjust the brush size by moving the size slider. Choose the desired color for the brush stroke. Choose the desired brush style from the stalker. Setting eraser mode. The eraser mode of the freehand brush tool allows you to remove parts of your artwork selectively. To use the freehand brush tool as an eraser, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the freehand brush tool on the toolbox, and then click the Set Erase Mode icon on the toolbar. Step 2. Select the desired eraser type from the brush preset stalker. Step 3. Adjust the size and opacity for the eraser from the toolbar. Step 4. Start erasing parts of your artwork by clicking and dragging the mouse cursor over the areas you want to remove. Using the eraser mode, adjust the opacity and size of eraser using these sliders. Click on the Set Eraser Mode icon. Click on the freehand brush tool. Click and drag over the areas you want to remove. Line tool. The line tool allows you to draw straight lines or segments on the canvas. To use this tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the line tool on the toolbox. Step 2. Choose the desired line style from the brush preset stalker. Step 3. Choose the desired line color from the advanced color selector docker. Step 4. Adjust the thickness and opacity of the line using the size and opacity slider on the toolbar. Step 5. Click and drag on the canvas area to a line of desired length. Using the line tool, click on the line tool. Click and drag on the canvas area to draw a line. Choose the desired line color from here. Choose the desired line style from here. Rectangle tool. The rectangle tool allows you to draw rectangles or squares on the canvas. To use this tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the rectangle tool on the toolbox. Step 2. Click on the Tool Options docker beside the Advanced Color Selector docker. Tool Options docker for Rectangle tool. Click on the Rectangle tool. Click on the Tool Options docker. Step 3. Select one of the options, not filled, foreground color, background color, or pattern, from the Fill drop-down list. Step 4. Select one of the options, no outline, brush, background color, from the outline drop-down list. Tool options Fill color. Tool options Outline style. Step 5. Choose the desired brush style and color for the outline of the rectangle. Step 6. Adjust the thickness and opacity of the outline. Step 7. Click and drag on the canvas area to draw a rectangle of desired size. Bonus content. Subject enrichment. If you accidentally draw or erase something you did not intend to, you can use the undo command, Ctrl+Z, to revert the action. Using the rectangle tool, click on the rectangle tool. Click and drag on the canvas area to draw a rectangle. Choose the desired outline color from here. Choose the desired outline style from here. Do it yourself. Experiential learning. Click the ellipse tool on the toolbox and draw ovals and circles with different colors and brush styles. Follow the same steps as that of drawing a rectangle. Fill tool. The fill tool allows you to quickly fill areas of your artwork with color. It is a convenient tool for adding solid color or patterns. To use the fill tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the fill tool on the toolbox. Step 2. Click on the Tool Options docker. Tool Options docker for Fill tool. Click on the Fill tool. Click on the Tool Options docker. Step 3. Select the fill mode and fill source for the tool. Tool Options docker for the Fill tool. Click this icon to fill an area with a pattern. Step 4. To fill the area with a solid color, choose the desired color from the color docker. Step 5. To fill the area with a pattern, click Pattern option in the fill source. Now, choose the desired pattern from the Fill Patterns drop-down list on the toolbar. Step 6. Click inside an area to fill color. Choosing a pattern. Click on this icon. Choose the desired pattern from here. Fill an area with a pattern. Click inside the area to fill color. Multi-brush tool. The multi-brush tool enables you to paint with several brush tips simultaneously, creating interesting textures and effects. To use this tool, follow these steps. Step 1. Click on the multi-brush tool on the toolbox. Step 2. Choose the desired style, color, thickness and opacity for the brush stroke. Step 3. Click and drag on the canvas area to draw brush strokes. As you paint, Krita will use multiple brush tips simultaneously, creating a unique and textured stroke. Using the multi-brush tool. Click on the multi-brush tool. Click and drag on the canvas. Choose color from here. Choose brush style from here. Creating and saving a Krita file. To create a new file in Krita, click the File menu and then click New. The Create New Document Krita dialog box appears with two tabs, Dimensions and Content. Dimensions tab. This tab allows you to apply the following settings related to the file. Width and height. These fields allow you to enter the dimensions of your new canvas in terms of pixels or other units such as inches or millimeters. You can either type in specific values or use the up/down arrows to adjust the dimensions. Resolution. This field allows you to set the resolution of your canvas, usually in pixels per inch, ppi, or dots per inch, dpi. Higher resolutions provide more detail but may also result in larger file sizes. Color model. You can choose the color model for your document, such as RGB, red, green, blue, CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black, grayscale, or other color profiles. Orientation. This option allows you to set the orientation of your canvas, either landscape, horizontal, or portrait, vertical. Content tab. This tab allows you to apply the following settings for your Krita document. Name. This field is used to specify the new name for the Krita document. By default, unnamed is written in this field. Layers. This field allows you to specify the number of layers in your document. By default, the Krita document contains 2 layers. You can add and delete the layers as and when required while working in your document. Background color. This field is used to set the background color for your canvas. By default, the background color is white. Background opacity. This field is used to set the intensity of the background color. By default, it is set to 100%. Dimensions tab. Click here to set landscape orientation. Click here to set portrait orientation. Content tab. Once you have specified the desired settings for your new Krita document, click the Create button. To save a Krita file, follow these steps. Step 1. Click the File menu and then click the Save As option. The Saving As dialog box appears. Step 2. Choose the desired location for the file. Step 3. Enter the name of the file in the File Name text box. Step 4. Click the Save button. The Krita file is saved with Krita extension. Save As option. Saving As dialog box. For the teacher, provide an overview of Krita's features and capabilities. Demonstrate how to open Krita on the computer and navigate its interface. Explain the basic components of the Krita window, and show students how to create a new document, adjust canvas settings, dimensions, resolution, etc., and choose a color model. Introduce students to some of the basic drawing and painting tools in Krita. Demonstrate how to select different brushes and adjust brush settings, size, opacity, etc. Encourage students to experiment with the tools and brushes on their own, creating simple drawings. Let us revise. Krita is a free and open-source digital painting and illustration software developed and distributed by Krita Foundation. Krita is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. You can visit the official Krita website to download and install the latest version. The different components of the Krita window are menu bar, toolbar, toolbox, canvas area, dockers, and status bar. The toolbox in Krita contains a variety of tools for drawing, painting, selecting, transforming, and other common tasks. The text tool allows you to add, customize, and manipulate text within your artwork. The calligraphy tool is used for creating strokes that resemble those made by traditional calligraphy pens or brushes. The freehand brush tool is used for freehand drawing and painting. The line tool allows you to draw straight lines or segments on the canvas. The rectangle tool allows you to draw rectangles or squares on the canvas. The fill tool allows you to quickly fill areas of your artwork with color. The multi-brush tool enables you to paint with several brush tips simultaneously, creating interesting textures and effects.